In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team, set up channels, and invite members in Microsoft Teams. Welcome back to part 2 of our Microsoft Teams series. In this lesson, we're focusing on the basic setup process so you can build a clean, organized workspace for collaboration. If you're new to Teams, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything in a simple and practical way. To get started, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Once the app is open, look to the left-hand navigation bar and click on the Teams tab. This is the area where all of your existing teams are listed, and it's also where you'll create a new one. At the top of your Teams list, click the plus icon, then choose Create Team. This opens the setup window where you can begin building your new workspace. When prompted, select From Scratch. This option is useful when you want full control over how the team is structured from the beginning. Next, choose your privacy setting. You can set the team to private if you want only approved members to join, or public if you want it to be open to people within your organization. After that, type in a clear team name. You can also add a description if you'd like to give members more context about the team's purpose. A good name and description can make your workspace easier to identify later, especially if you'll be managing several teams. Once that's done, you'll be asked to add members. Type in the names or email addresses of the people you want to invite, then click Add. Repeat that process until everyone you need is included. When you're finished, click Close. If you're not ready to invite everyone right away, you can always return and add more people later. Now that your team has been created, it's time to organize it with channels. Channels in Microsoft Teams work a lot like channels in Slack, helping you separate conversations, files, and projects into focused spaces. To create one, click the 3 dots next to your team name and select Add Channel. Enter a name for the channel, then choose whether it should be standard or private. A standard channel is visible to everyone on the team, while a private channel is limited to specific members. Once you've made your selection, click Add to finish the setup, and that's